Installing an E3.S drive cage assembly. If the E3.S drive cage gap pad is damaged or missing, replace it. Install the E3.S drive assembly into the node and secure with 3 screws. Connect the drive assembly cables to the system board. Note: the drive cable should be above the OS/FP cable. Cable connector locations will vary on different models. Connect the M.2 backplane cable to the system board. Install the cross braces. Cross brace locations will vary on different models. Make sure the blank bezel fillers are installed. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.